The Scout Stiff One Cooler combines the flexibility of soft sides with the durability of a hard bottom, making it perfect for any terrain, from sandy beaches to concrete sidewalks. With dimensions that allow it to fit 6 bottles of wine upright, this cooler is also ideal for carrying 30 standard beverage cans or 36 skinny cans, providing great versatility for any outing. Its 3-layer insulated fabric ensures contents remain cool, while the water-resistant exterior and heat-sealed liner make cleaning up spills a breeze. The spacious interior offers ample room for stacking food containers, and additional pockets make it easy to organize utensils, napkins, and other essentials. Built with durable fabric and strong seams, the Scout Cooler is designed to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting enjoyment. Whether you are heading to the beach, a family picnic, or a travel adventure, the Scout Stiff One Cooler is a reliable companion that combines style with functionality.